know you can guess from just looking at how I'm going to turn her, what I'm going to turn her into. But hopefully y'all will guess. I love that cartoon, and when the Barbie doll came out in the 80s, I was so young that I didn't have a chance. So one time, like by the time I turned like 4 and 5 and I was into Barbie dolls, the doll was gone. My cousin used to have to do a collection and the doll was gone, but she had like other dolls from the collection, but not the specific character I was looking for. But anyway, I'm going to go step by step and we're going to turn her into my favorite cartoon of the 80s. Bye. All done. I don't know, you guess. It's Jim. Oh my gosh. It took me hours to do this doll. I hope you like it. I put pink Adora dye in her hair. I used a lip color pencil for her eyes, makeup. I made her microphone out of Q-tip and diamonds. I made the dress. I made the belt. I might redo the belt. I made the belt and put some little stars on it. I already had the Barbie doll shoes. I seen Jim dolls, the good version ones, and I'm not paying over $400 for no Barbie doll. You're crazy. And the old one from the 80s, the Jim doll, it just wasn't my cup of tea. But I hope you guys like it. Please leave comments. Please subscribe, leave comments, and I'll be back. And if this video gets, I'm going to speed fair and say over 10,000 views, I will make a Jim one of her bandmates. Leave in a comment what bandmate would you like me to do as a Barbie doll. It's your girl Lola. Comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.